I've been carrying wounds that no one ever sees, smiling through the storm, drowning silently. Tried to fix myself with everything I knew, but broken hands can't heal. But broken hands can't heal what only you can do. I've walked through fires that left me cold inside, worn out from the weight of battles I can't hide. But even in the ruins, even in the ash, I heard you whisper softly, "Child, this pain won't last." Your hands reach into places I've been too afraid to show. You heal what I've been hiding, every scar you already know. I don't have to put together to come to you. You meet me in the breaking and you make me new. You mend what was broken. You paid for my healing at an unthinkable cost, where there were only ruins. You built something new. Every shattered piece of me is whole again in you. I thought the damage ran too deep to ever heal, that some things once they're broken never get to feel. But you're a God who walks into the wreckage and remains, who turns the very wounds into a testimony of your name. I've seen your hands of darkness and the grace you've overcome, so I will trust the process even when the road is long. Because the God who started healing always finished what he's begun. So I lay it all before you, every wound and every wall, every fear I tried to bury, every time I thought I'd fall. In your presence I'm not broken, I am held by the only one whose love has never failed. You paid for my healing at an unthinkable cost, where there were only ruins. You built something new. Every shattered piece of me is whole again in you. I am not my wounds, I am not my past. I am not the storms that were never meant to last. I am what you say, I am what you see. I am fully loved and finally free. Healed, stored, reborn. You mend what was broken. You restored all I lost. You carry my healing all the way to the cross. Where there were only ashes, you breathed something new. I'm not who I was anymore. I'm made whole in you. You never left the broken places. You stayed and made them whole. You mended me.